Hello Algebra 1 students. We are in Unit 5, Tier 1, Lesson 4a, Changing Forms. Check off your booklet, please. This is Tier 1, Lesson 4a, Changing Forms. So recall, and we're going to change forms from slope-intercept to point-slope. So we need to recall from middle school what point-slope form is of a linear function. And all that is y minus y1 is equal to m times the quantity of x minus x1. So let's go down and take some notes. To change a linear function from slope-intercept form to point slope form, we must use the slope value m and the y-intercept as a point value to construct the equation. So let's go down and do an example and I'll show you what I mean. So here's our equation. Well, first of all, the first thing we have to notice is that we have plus 1 here. So that means that our y-intercept for this equation is 0, positive 1. Alright, so we got to use that and our slope. And we know that our point slope form is the form y minus y1, which is going to be the y from the point, equals m times the quantity x minus x1, which is the point from the equation. And in our case, the point is that y-intercept. So let's go over here and write it. So now we have y minus, and what's y1? So, well, if we come over here, the y in the intercept is just 1. So it's going to be y minus 1 equals, our slope is negative 2, and we get that from the m value right here. And then it's going to be multiplied by the quantity of x minus x1. Well, our x1 happens to be this 0 right here. So this y equals negative 2x plus 1 in point slope form using the y-intercept is y minus 1 equals negative 2 times the quantity x minus 0. Let's go look at another example real quick. We have y equals 1/3 x minus 3. Well, the y-intercept of this is this negative 3 right here. So our y-intercept is going to be 0, negative 3. Okay, and we're going to use that. We're going to come over here and we're going to write in point slope form y minus, well, y minus negative 3 is going to be y minus a minus. So, because we're using our y value, so it's going to be y plus 3 equals, and then our slope, again, is right here, the 1/3. So our slope is going to stay out here, and then it's going to be x, well, our x point is this 0 right here. So it's going to be x minus 0. So to transform or change y equals 1/3 x minus 3 from slope-intercept form to point slope form, we get y plus 3 equals 1/3 times the quantity of x minus 0. Good luck on your practice sets.